Hi, my name is Rick Osbrink. I'm the full-time industrial technology instructor here at Shasta College. My current hobbies right now are my children. I have 2 young kids that we like to go out and do a lot of hiking and fishing. So I went to Shasta College myself. I'm a graduate from here. In the advanced manufacturing program, we teach you a lot of the basics. We teach you how to operate the equipment safely, and then also a lot of the core foundational skills like precision measurement. How do we measure down to a fractions of an inch? We also make tools and all sorts of different fun products here at the college. You know, one of the things that you can expect is just to have a lot of fun in learning some of the base skills, learning some of the foundational skills. Some of the pay, you know, it can start anywhere from about $18 to $20 an hour, depending on the partner that you work with, and it can get up to $65, $70 an hour for some of the higher end manual machining jobs here in the North State.